Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee. I'm making a quick video talking about the Skyline radio in the new 2024 Street Glides or Road Glides, or also that 23.5 and newer CVO models. I've seen a couple videos that were just completely false in info, and I want to clarify some things to help you. We know so many of you bought these base model bikes, and the sound has been very lacking. They're very hard to hear at highway speeds, and we're all looking for solutions to make them louder. Now, in this bike, I have our Kenwood upgrade system in here. It's completely plug and play. It's just a 2-speaker, and it's a very inexpensive setup to make it where you can hear it great at highway speeds. But I saw some videos put out saying, oh, there's a magic trick. You just haven't found the right place in the background of your radio to change a setting that's going to increase your volume substantially. And I wanted to talk about what that was. So if we go into our radio settings menu, we go to settings and we go to audio, there's something here that seemingly confused a few people. It's called the volume settings. So if we'll go into volume settings, we will find out there, if it'll ever let me there, and pick speakers, that we have the ability to change our media and our navigation prompts at 2 different volume levels. This is the part that's really confusing people. My volume's all the way down on my radio, and so is it on my media. But if I turn my radio up, that slider hasn't moved. But if I move that slider, you'll notice it actually changes my volume location over here. It's not live, so it gets confusing. Wherever you change this media slider, it actually is changing your volume up to that level, but it's not showing you live. And as an example of that, I'll go ahead and bring the volume up. Back out, turn my volume down, and you'll see it's back down. Now, I'll turn my volume up and I'll do it again. All this is a slider in the settings menu that is showing you where your current media volume is set, so you can see where your prompts are set in correlation. So if you can't hear your navigation prompts at a set volume, this is going to allow you to turn those up. And they're not going to change with volume unless you do volume up and down while that navigation is speaking to you. But I thought it was very confusing that people thought that this slider was actually the volume adjustment in the background for the amplifier or something special. And what we found out was it's just kind of a glitch in the system. The Skyline radio is not very quickly moving or actively showing you your volume adjustment inside this section. So don't get confused. It's not a special fix. It made no difference in ours. I'd already played with this before we ever did the amp upgrade. But I saw that crazy video and I thought I need to make something and let you know you're not hearing anything other than you turning the volume all the way up. And at that point, it's not quite loud enough to make us happy going down the road. Keep watching Volunteer Audio. We have some awesome solutions for these bikes. Whether it's an inexpensive 2-speaker amp setup like we have, or our Hertz full plug-and-play systems that replace the factory amp that are coming out in July. Continue to follow us on our YouTube channel. Continue to follow us on Facebook. And subscribe to get the latest as it comes out. You can also go to volunteeraudio.com, go to our plug-and-play amp and speaker packages, look at your bike, and you'll see what's currently shipping. So we got a lot in the works, got a lot of cool things that we can do to make your bike even better, from Chromeworks exhaust to audio upgrades to upgraded batteries. That's our next video. You need to watch it because that factory battery is causing a lot of problems, and we've got the solution to make it so much better. So thank you for watching. Give us a call if you have any questions at 1-844-30-AUDIO. Check out all those packages at volunteeraudio.com. Like this video, share it with your friends. That helps us. It doesn't cost you a thing, and we appreciate you doing it. And I thank you so much for watching Volunteer Audio. And as always, God bless.